Try this material, a convex lens, screen, meter scale, stand for the lens, chalk, candle, etc. Method: draw a straight line along the center of a long table. Place the lens on the stand at the central point O of the line. Place the screen on one side of the lens. Move it along the line so as to get a clear image of a distant object. Mark its position as F1. We have seen this in the last experiment. Measure the distance between O and F1. Mark a point at distance 2F1 from O on the same side of F1 and mark it as 2F1. Repeat these actions on the other side of the lens and mark F2 and 2F2 on the straight line. Note that distance OF1 is same as distance between F1 and 2F1 is equal to distance between OF2 and is equal to distance between F2 and 2F2. Means all these distances are of equal length. Now place the burning candle on the other side of the lens far beyond 2F1. Place the screen on the opposite side of the lens and obtain a clear image of the candle by moving it forward or backward along the line. Note the position, size and nature of the image. See, clear image is obtained between F2 and 2F2. This image is smaller, real and inverted. As this image is obtained on the screen, it is real and it is seen clearly that it is an inverted image. Now place object at 2F1. Symmetric nature of image is seen here. The clear image is obtained at 2F2. It is of same size, real and inverted. Now place the object between F1 and 2F1. See the image. Image is obtained beyond 2F2. It is larger, real and inverted. The object is at F1. See, this is an interesting case. Where is our image? Image is far away, formed at infinity. The image is real, inverted and very large. Now place object between F1 and O. Do we see any image on the screen? No, we do not see any image on the screen. Does that mean that no image is being formed? No, not really. We still see an image being formed on the lens, but we are not able to see an image on the screen because it is a virtual and erect. Virtual image can never be obtained on screen. Thus, when the object is between F1 and O, image is obtained on the same side of the lens as the object. This image is very large, virtual and erect. Remember, we have studied here that images will change based on position of the object.